Ever wish you could quickly access accessibility tools without digging through settings? Let's add them to the quick settings panel on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility, then tap advanced setting. Under accessibility shortcut, tap quick panel buttons. From here, choose which button you want to show. For example, let's add extra dim. Now, from any screen, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the quick settings panel. Find extra dim button, and then tap it to instantly lower brightness beyond the usual minimum. Perfect for using your phone in a dark room. You can toggle it on or off anytime. As a note, you can also add these same buttons by editing the quick settings panel directly. So this is just an alternative way to manage them. Given to the function, if you want faster access feature like extra dim or color filters, adding them to quick setting makes life easier. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.